Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well and happy. Today, we celebrate Labor Day on the 1st of May. The 1st of May is widely celebrated as International Workers' Day, also known as Labor Day in many countries. It's a holiday that honors the labor movement and the contributions of workers to society. Its origins are deeply tied to the fight for workers' rights, particularly in the context of improving working conditions during the Industrial Revolution. Historical background. The significance of May 1st as a day for labor rights comes from a tragic event in the United States in the late 19th century. The Haymarket Affair, 1886. The roots of International Workers' Day can be traced back to a labor strike that took place in Chicago. In May 1886, thousands of workers were striking for an 8-hour workday and better working conditions. The situation came to a head on May 4th, when a peaceful rally at Haymarket Square turned violent after a bomb was thrown at the police, leading to the deaths of several police officers and civilians. Although the identity of the bomb thrower was never conclusively determined, the event became a symbol of workers' struggle for better rights and a fairer system. The 8-hour workday. The central issue of the Haymarket Affair was the demand for an 8-hour workday. During the Industrial Revolution, many workers, including factory laborers, worked 12 to 16-hour days under harsh and dangerous conditions. Workers' movements grew in response to this exploitation, with the aim of reducing work hours and improving safety, wages, and conditions. The Haymarket Affair led to a crackdown on labor leaders, but it also helped spread the message of workers' rights across the world. International recognition. The idea of honoring workers and their struggles on May 1st became popularized through the efforts of labor unions and socialist movements. In 1889, the Second International, an organization of socialist and communist parties, declared that May 1st should be a day of solidarity with the working class. Modern-day observances. In many countries, International Workers' Day is marked by protests, demonstrations, and marches that advocate for workers' rights, social justice, and better working conditions. While some countries celebrate this day as a public holiday,